When we bought our bus, it already had all the seats removed, which was super convenient for us. The previous owner had already started a mini build for camping on the weekends, but since we were building our new home, we wanted to start from scratch. So removing the floors, the sidewalls, and the ceiling panels so that we could remove the old dusty insulation was a must. It also provided us a good opportunity to see what we were working with as bare bones and inspect any potential rust issues. To remove the windows, we took out the screws that were holding the windows in place, and then we cut the caulk or sealant away from the window on the outside. We found it easiest when taking the windows out to have the windows open and then pull the top part of the window in towards the bus and then pick up on each corner individually by standing under the window and using your legs to push up to pop the window free.
You see a hammer? No. I feel like there was one in the back somewhere. Yeah, it's right at your name.
So at this point, I am completely exhausted and I'm worn out. And to be quite frank, I'm a little over it. I've obviously seen that these welds are going to cause a much bigger issue than he's going to be letting on.
I'll have to fix that.
Well, I guess I'll go back to cleaning windows.
Dude, we might have to drill these out.
That sucks.
At this point, I'm just hoping he doesn't get mad. He'll figure it out. Until then, I'm gonna stick with my windows. So after discovering the sidewalls were held in place by spot welds, we realized this just made the process 10 times harder in removing them. Since hammering them off obviously didn't work, we had a decision to make. After some humming and hawing and some serious debate, we had option A, proper way, drill out hundreds of tiny little spot welds, or B, brute force. We opted for plan B. Finally, it was time to remove the insulation and get this baby done. With a little help from my big brother, we were able to get the insulation removal done in no time. Thanks, big bro. Oh, and just a word of advice, make sure you wear sleeves. Insulation is quite itchy. Surprisingly, after removing the insulation, it was dry and we had zero mold. The whole process of the bus demolition took us a total of 4 days. There were ups, there were downs. He was cranky, I got cranky, it was hot. It was exhausting and it was long, but we did it and we got through it together. Once we had everything out, we tack welded metal plates on top of the holes in the floor from where the screws from the bus seats had been bolted. After grinding out the surface rust, we painted the floor with a white Rust-Oleum paint to keep any new rust from forming and any rust we didn't see from spreading. And voila, we are done. Or almost.
Just worked a 10-hour shift, sat in an hour of traffic, and now I'm fighting the clock to try and make it to the dump to get rid of everything that we pulled off of the bus. So I'm driving my Subi, pulling a trailer full of bus demolition. And we have 33 minutes to make it to the dump.
There you have it, one bus demoed. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. Also, if you would like to follow along in our journey and to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and make sure that you turn on those notifications to be notified every time we upload a video. Until then, stay safe, stay sane, and be sweet.